This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, October 20th, 2019. This one here, I got a call from my kid that she finally ran out of oil over there. So she tried to hit the reset button and it was just smoking and not firing up. So she must be out of oil. We'll go over there and disconnect the lines and make sure that she's out of oil, and I'm all ready to switch the other burner over. I already did that prep work. I did get another barometric damper for that one that will fit in there, because the one I had from the other job was bigger. So I got that. We'll hook up the thermostat wire with a rollout switch, and we'll make sure it's clean, you know, brush it down if it's dirty, and set it up with a new burner. Do a combustion test on it, and let it rip potato chip. A little cool here this morning. It was like 38 this morning, so it's getting cooler out. So the deal was, I wanted to get all that oil out of the tanks, use up all that oil at our house before we swap it over, obviously, right? So we'll try to get you some shots. She did try to hit the reset a couple of times. So she's out of oil. You can smell it down here. Thing's been spinning and sputtering and starving for oil. That's empty. That's empty. We got an overhead line, but we'll check it. We'll disconnect it right here and make sure that it's off. He's probably going to sell these tanks, he said, so we'll probably cut them free, cut the lines outside for him so we can sell them. This one's a 275 and that's a 330. Should be out of oil. I know they're out of oil because they're empty. Might be a small amount in there, but I don't think it's going to be much, if anything. Definitely some oil in there still. Just air. Yeah, they're empty. It was just air. It's open. No, there's still quite a bit of oil in there. Wow. I'm gonna probably revamp this, tie these two together a little differently, and run a line. Guys, so I ran the oil line along the ground here, down alongside, and just tied this one tank in, because this tank still's got oil in it. That one's empty, but this one's still got oil in it, so. Might have been a blockage in there or something, but what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to purge it, see what we get for oil flow. I'd rather use up that oil before I switch it over. This way here, it's easier to get rid of the tanks. And we're gonna jump out this control and see what we get for oil flow. Motor should be the orange. Orange. Those two right there will run just the motor. That's how I like to do it. Plug that into my light, and they'll run the motor. It won't shut off on me. The muck coming out of there. I'll have to clean this filter. I left the air inside the container over there, so let's see if it goes. It's flipping nasty shit, huh? It's really nasty with the clear up now. See how it's getting red. Really nasty. Oh, that's not bad there now. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. She's a crusty one. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. There goes there. So the L1. Just got the fucking thing hanging, flopping in the wind in there. That's not good, don't need that. And that's what it was, the neutral wire. I need that. It's not going to work like that. It's the neutral. I need that for it to run. Dummy. Dumb. should run now. Dum-dum. So I'll turn the power back on. This thing's off on hard lockout, which it might not be. If it is, you gotta hold it in. I don't think it's off on hard lockout. I think you only hit it once. Yeah. It's probably gonna smoke when it starts. Houston, we have ignition. There's quite a bit of oil still in that tank in the bottom. I want to run it out. It might be another day, a couple of days to switch it. Alright, she's fired up. Once this tank runs out, we'll come back and we'll cut all this stuff out of here.